Wait, seriously, are we all just stuck with Trello? I mean, don't get me wrong, it's a classic. It's the OG of visual task management. But in a world where we can order groceries with a voice command and have AI write our emails, are we really saying the best we've got for organizing our projects is still cards on a board? Think about it. You've got that massive project, the one with a million subtasks, dependencies, and deadlines that seem to shift like sand. You're trying to wrangle it all in Trello, and it's fine. You're making lists, moving cards, assigning people. But deep down, you know there's got to be something more, something better. Maybe you're a freelancer, juggling multiple clients and projects, each with their own unique quirks. You're drowning in a sea of Trello boards, trying to remember which client needs what by when. Or maybe you're part of a team, and you're constantly battling the chaos of shared boards, trying to decipher who's doing what and when it's actually going to be done. We've all been there. We've all felt that pang of, is this it? Is this the peak of project management technology? Well, today we're going to dive deep. We're going to explore the landscape of task management apps and ask the burning question. Is there a better app than Trello? And if so, what makes it better? Let's start with what Trello does well. It's simple. It's intuitive. The Kanban board is a visual masterpiece. Drag and drop, lists, cards, labels. It's all incredibly easy to grasp. And the free version is surprisingly robust. For many, it's enough. But let's be real, Trello has its limitations. For starters, it's primarily a visual tool. That's great for some. But what about those of us who need more structure? What about those complex dependencies, those intricate timelines, those detailed reports? Trello starts to feel a bit flat. And then there's the issue of scalability. A few boards, a small team, Trello shines. But as your projects grow, as your team expands, things can get messy, fast. You're left with a sprawling network of boards, trying to find that one card you need, desperately searching for that crucial piece of information. So what are the alternatives? Let's talk about some of the contenders. First up, we have Asana. Asana is a powerhouse. It's designed for teams, for complex projects, for those who need structure and control. It offers multiple views, lists, boards, calendars, timelines, allowing you to visualize your projects in a way that makes sense to you. Asana excels at task dependencies, allowing you to link tasks together and ensure that everything flows smoothly. It also offers robust reporting features, giving you insights into your team's progress and identifying potential bottlenecks. But Asana can be overwhelming. It's feature-rich, which is great, but it can also be a bit daunting for new users. And the free version is limited, pushing you towards a paid plan if you want to unlock its full potential. Next up, we have ClickUp. ClickUp is the all-in-one productivity platform. It aims to replace multiple tools with a single, unified solution. It offers a wide range of features, including task management, document collaboration, time tracking, and even goal setting. ClickUp's flexibility is its strength. You can customize it to fit your specific needs, creating workflows and views that are tailored to your team. It also offers a generous free plan, making it accessible to individuals and small teams. However, ClickUp's sheer number of features can be overwhelming. It can take time to learn the platform and find the features that are most relevant to you. And while its customization options are a plus, they can also lead to inconsistencies if not managed properly. Then there's Monday.com. Monday.com is known for its visual appeal and user-friendly interface. It's designed to be intuitive and easy to use, even for those who are new to project management tools. Monday.com offers a variety of templates and integrations, making it easy to get started and connect with other tools you use. It also offers robust automation features, allowing you to streamline your workflows and save time. But Monday.com can be expensive, especially for larger teams. And while its visual interface is a plus, it can sometimes feel a bit simplistic, lacking the depth and complexity of other platforms. And let's not forget about Notion. Notion is a bit of a wild card. It's not strictly a project management tool, but it's incredibly versatile and can be used for a wide range of tasks, including task management, note-taking, and knowledge management. Notion's strength lies in its flexibility. You can create custom workspaces, databases, and templates to fit your specific needs. It also offers a powerful search function, making it easy to find information across your workspaces. However, Notion's flexibility can also be its weakness. It can take time to set up and customize, and it may not be suitable for teams that need a more structured and standardized approach. So, is there a better app than Trello? The answer, as always, is it depends. It depends on your needs, your team, and your workflow. If you're looking for a simple visual tool for basic task management, Trello is still a great option. But if you need more structure, more features, and more scalability, then Asana, ClickUp, Monday.com, or even Notion might be a better fit. Consider your team size, the complexity of your projects, and the features that are most important to you. Do you need robust reporting? Do you need advanced automation? Do you need seamless integrations with other tools? Ultimately, the best app is the one that helps you and your team be most productive. Don't be afraid to experiment, to try different platforms, and to find the one that works best for you. And remember, it's not just about the tool. It's about how you use it. Even the most powerful app won't magically solve your project management problems. You need to have a clear process, a well-defined workflow, and a team that's committed to using the tool effectively. Don't just settle for fine. Don't just accept that Trello is the best you can do. Explore your options, find the tool that empowers you, and take your productivity to the next level. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.